Hello and welcome to Stuff on Shelves. Today I'm looking at the Sony Xperia U, the ST25i. When I look back at these old phones, usually the batteries have stopped working. And I look at my new phone and I think, well, if my new phone stopped working, would I be able to replace the battery as easily as this one? I've given this one a quick polish just to remove the fingerprints between takes. I'll probably mess this up again shortly. I've already have an aftermarket battery installed in this, and looking at the back there, the Sony Ericsson, it's listed as on the inside. Sony shortly changed their branding with the release of this phone, and it would be only marketed as Sony Mobile from there on. Taking a look at the size of the device, we've got 112 millimeters one way, 54 millimeters the other way, only 12 millimeters thick. Here I've got a cheap old replacement battery, and taking a look at that closely from the side there on the freeze frame, you can see that it's bulging. This is a really common, especially with cheaper batteries. The cheaper they are, the sooner they bulge. And this one doesn't seem to be taking a charge anymore. For the purposes of this video, I'll show you that. Although I know that it's not working, I'll just try this again on camera. I've got my portable charger there, fully charged up, activated 4 lights of power, and no response with the old aftermarket battery. Let's take this out and put that on the panel there. You can see rocking the battery side to side, backwards and forwards. It's bulged. I bought myself what claims to be an official Sony replacement. We got there for £3.95 each. It's the price of a drink in a restaurant. You see, comparing the new battery, well, the replacement battery by Sony with the old one there, it's flat on the surface. Put this in there. The replacement battery from eBay provided with a small amount of charge. I'll plug in the charger again just in case it drops in power whilst I'm recording the video. You see that I've sped this up now, but that was 30 seconds to do a boot. I'm not sure how that compares to the iPhone. I'm guessing probably takes about 30 seconds to load. So there you go, a really easy change. Get yourself a decent replacement battery for your old phones. Not that I'm planning on using this, but it's good to have it turn on occasionally when it's on the shelf. And there you go. I've been Stuff on Shelves. Thanks for watching. If you've liked this video, then give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you want to. And I've also got a Patreon page, which would be really great if you could support this channel further on Patreon, but don't feel obliged. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.